once again to the Shadow Clan Weather Channel. If you're just joining us, there is a tropical storm over Mexico right now. It is fully landlocked. It has made landfall already at approximately 10 o'clock p.m. EDT yesterday. As of right now, its location is 23.2 N and 101.2 W. Those stand for north and west, in case you didn't know. And the maximum sustained winds stand at 40 miles per hour. That's a significant downgrade since the last one, that was Category 1 hurricane at 85 miles per hour. All of the watches and warnings for this storm have been discontinued, as it is now fully landlocked except for the right front squall, which is still bringing tornadoes to the Corpus Christi area. At that area, there are hazards involving rainfall still, because it is still very full of tropical moisture, and that is being sucked out of it by the mountainous terrain. Now, it may re-emerge into the eastern Pacific Ocean as a tropical depression or a tropical wave or extratropical cyclone over the next couple of days, in which case there'll be, depending on its track, there may be a continuing coverage after that. That's probably not storm though. And there is still tropical storm conditions going on at its center, which is currently about 50% of the way across its traversing of the Mexican continent. And there are still the tornado threats across the area. And the next complete advisory is going to come out at 11 o'clock tonight. There may only be a couple more segments about this particular storm, at least as long as it stays by itself, assuming that it doesn't re-strengthen, get a second wind somehow. So, that's about all there is to say about it right now. Next week, it's still making big rain. There might be a river flood across the Rio Grande.